Alright, hey, what's going on? I'm GratuiTous and welcome to my newest course, How to Use EQ in Your Songs. In this course, I want to talk to you about EQ, your mindset that you should have as you're using EQ, as well as some kind of best practices I've discovered over the years. So by you taking this course, you guys are going to understand, how to make a lot more accurate judgment in your EQ decisions. There are times to be aggressive with your EQ. There's also times to be subtle. We're going to cover, what is an EQ, how do you actually use an EQ, the different filters, their purposes. So if you guys are interested in taking this course, you guys can sign up and I'll see you guys in the course.